Yeah, we're seeing this fascinating public-private partnership emerge sort of on the fly as different companies and different trade associations decide they want to get involved here in helping as the new Biden administration tries to ramp up to 100 million doses of the vaccine in 100 days. That's their set goal. Take a look at some of the companies that have weighed in with offers to help, starting with Starbucks, which is offering in Washington state, they're offering models of Starbucks for vaccination centers. They're calling it a Starbucks with only one product, the vaccine. Amazon, of course, last week offered to help the Biden administration help with vaccinations of its employees, as well as communications and personnel assistance. Google is offering $150 million to promote vaccine education efforts. Honeywell in North Carolina offering logistical help with what they call the last mile of vaccine distribution, getting it all the way to its destination. Microsoft and Costco are also involved in a Washington state effort. Airbnb made an interesting offer to set up Airbnb locations for vaccination that can be used in medically underserved areas. And I spoke with Eric Hoplin earlier today. He's the new CEO of the National Association of Wholesalers and Distributors. He said his organization wrote a letter to the Biden administration on Friday offering their particular expertise. Here's how he described the effort.
We have relationships with about 180,000 healthcare providers across the country. These are pharmacies, hospitals, clinics, nursing homes that we supply their medicines and their medical equipment every day. So we have those existing relationships that we can use the distribution network to start to accelerate the distribution and help the Biden administration and the country meet that 100 million goal.
So the idea here is to use the existing supply chains and existing networks now to service as accelerants for the vaccine distribution process. And of course, guys, there's opportunities here on the business side for all of these companies to make some money doing some of this work. And there's also an important opportunity for them to step up the global economy, right? I mean, you can't get the economy going again if you can't get the vaccine out there to the last mile. So there's some self-interest here. And of course, anytime you're dealing with companies dealing with the government, state and local, and at the federal level, there's a lot of opportunity for relationship building as well.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.